So hello friends, in our today's lecture we'll discuss about the movie Sutluj and its controversy. It is currently premiered on G5, which is our OTT platform. OTT stand for the over the top. Over the top. Amongst our another OTT platforms, G5 is also a platform. Okay, so what is the matter of the concern and why it is mentioned in our news? It is here the role is by different kind of our actors. Here you can see the Diljit Dosanjh, okay, and another two. So Sutluj, formerly Punjab 95, okay, means it known as the Punjab 95, removed from G5. Sudden removal, why it has requirement the our CBFC's censorship about this particular movie. Okay, so premiered on G5 on 3rd of July 2026, removed from the platform just 2 days later in the India. Okay, it premiered on 3rd of July and now currently it's been removed from that particular platform. G5 cited current developments and legal regulatory pressures without mentioning any direct government ban. Okay, what is the film about? So a biographical film based on Jaswant Singh Khalra. So Khalra, why Khalra is point of discussion over here. Khalra investigated the alleged disappearance and extrajudicial killings of the thousands of Sikh youth. Mind, Sikh youth, thousands, number in thousands. Okay, so Punjab militancy period in the 1980s to 1990s. Why did it become controversial? The film deals with human rights abuses and the politically sensitive chapters of the Punjab history. So it is the matter of concern that Jaswant Singh Khalra and the thousands of Sikh youths been dead. So it's somewhere it was just trying to show the negative picture. Okay, a negative picture of our justice system, our law and order. Everyone, if I just talk about the constitutional angle, so in our 7th schedule of Indian Constitution there are 3 lists. Okay, one is concurrent, second is our union, and third one is our state list. With respect of law and order, state authority deal with it. Okay, that is why it is important to tell you something extra facts about our law and order which is mentioned in our constitution. So to maintain law and order, it comes under our state subject. That is why Punjab government can play a better role. Okay, so the film deals with the human right abuses. Here it's discussing about the human right abuses are there. Politically sensitive chapters are with respect of the Punjab histories that it's been done. It's time period of 1980s and 1990s. So guys, someone can tell me in comment section that who was the PM of our country in that particular point of time. Who was PM? You will guys let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's measure CBFC objection. What is CBFC? CBFC stand for the Central Board of Film Certification. It established on 15th of Jan 1951. At the same date, 15th Jan, we celebrate our Army Day. Okay, on 8th of October, we celebrate our Indian Air Force Day. On which date we celebrate our Navy Day? You will let me know in the comment section, otherwise I'll ping it, okay, in comment section. So CBFC a statutory body with respect of statute, so means a law would come there. Okay, a bill being passed, then via the parliament's 3 parts, it's our Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and then president's assent, it's been a act. That is why it's called the statutory body of our constitution, not a constitutional body. The basic difference in between the statutory body and constitutional body is that constitutional body in the sense which is mentioned particularly in our constitution, it comes under the constitutions, and that is why it is called the constitutional body. But if I just talk about the statutory body, it means earlier it was not mentioned in our constitution, but via an amendment, via an bill, and after consideration via the three part of the parliament, like our Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the president assent, it became an act. Then it came into being as the our statutory body. So now I'm hoping that you have been very clear cut about it. Okay, so it's been done. So major CBFC objection, why CBFC is right now objecting about it, submitted to the Central Board of Film Certification in 2022. Means it's been done earlier. Okay, CBFC reportedly demanded 100 plus changes, that we want 100 plus changes. Okay, suggested changes include, like, what could be the suggestions? So at that particular time period, changing the protagonist name, as I have been talking about जशवंत सिंह खालरा, यहाँ पे बार बार मेंशन किया है. रिमूविंग सीन्स फीचरिंग गुरबानी, गुरबानी को जो फीचर किया है, गुरबानी इन द सेंस ये सिखिज़म में जो उनकी होलीएस्ट एंड जो सेक्रेट बुक्स होती हैं, उनके जो फ्रेजेस जो हाइम्स रहती हैं, उनके प्रीवियस जो गुरुज हैं, जैसे हमने पढ़ा कि 10 सिख गुरुज वर देयर सॉरी इन पास्ट टाइम पीरियड. सो सिखिज़म, in the Sikhism it's important Gurbani. Okay, and we have been read like our histories, like our Guru Nanak Dev, and also the Kavir's hymns kind of. So okay, deleting references to specific police actions. What were the specific police actions? It's been deleting to uncut version versus OTT reality. Okay, uncut version were there versus the OTT reality. What is the OTT reality? As we know, OTT has been done sometime the overwhelming activities. Okay, overwhelming activities, and it is just also going on, and also would work in the future, and can same kind of the action could be taken via the OTT. So there would be no doubt. Okay, so that is important. Okay, so the filmmakers initially secured the release of the original uncut version on the G5. Earlier it was the original version, original things were there, uncut version were there at the G5. However, the OTT platform, which is the over the top, in India are expected to exercise self-regulation, self-censorship. Means we can regulate it by ourselves with respect to CBFC certification, and also if we want to prevent in some censorship, we can also do this. So to avoid possible legal or political consequences, the film was withdrawn soon after release. The bigger issue is that the controversy has reignited debates over. It's been again become the major matter of the controversy in kind of freedom of artistic expression, censorship in India, depicting sensitive historical events with respect of Punjab's history, okay, Punjab's history, and responsibility of the OTT platform. So in one line, what we can conclude about this particular movie, as it's been talked about earlier as in the year of 2022, and currently it is also the measure of controversy. So as it is known as the Sutluj, earlier formally it is known as the 95.